Welcome to the SIGMADAF channel, where we share insights and solutions for wastewater treatment and reuse. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our compact DAF system and explain why it's a game changer for industrial wastewater treatment. Let's dive into some key advantages of our compact DAF system compared to a regular DAF setup. Our compact DAF system arrives fully assembled and ready to operate straight to your premises. Unlike traditional systems that require a lot of setup, programming and integration with your existing plant, this unit comes with all the piping and connections pre-done. On top of that, we've already performed a FAT test at our facilities before delivery. This ensures the system meets the highest quality standards and is ready for immediate use. This allows us to avoid delays in commissioning and ensure that the DAF system will operate smoothly. Now, while a compact DAF system might have a higher initial cost, the benefits of a pre-assembled, pre-tested system quickly add up. If you buy a standard DAF system, you will need to purchase peripheral equipment, assemble the DAF unit and integrate it with other technologies, adjust the programming and, no less important, deal with problems that may arise during this entire process. Choosing a compact DAF system will save you money, but it will also reduce assembly times, optimize equipment performance and keep you away from stress and headaches. Our compact DAF system is the perfect solution if efficiency, convenience and quick deployment are priorities to your business. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like more information about our DAF systems or need help finding the right solution for your project, don't hesitate to reach out. Please leave your thoughts and ideas on the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.
Sigma, water treatments thinking.